हेलो। व्हाट्सअप।
कैसे हो आप फरीदून?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
मैं फर्स्ट क्लास. Can you see me properly? This is the first time I'm actually doing something like this. I just want to tell you.
अच्छा, I think now we have to get used to this stuff because I think
Yeah, but
you
I'm saying
future.
your Ishaq Zadeh was my first film, and Bollywood Hangama is the first live that I'm doing like this.
Right. So I think now we'll have to get used to this stuff because the way the situation is. Uh, so how do you look at this? This entire 1 month or so, it has
Huh.
changed the course of the way almost all of
Humanity.
us believe in the world.
Yeah, it still is. Every day you're reading, hearing, understanding what is happening. So I think, yeah, we had got so used to running and we were sprinting as a
Right.
civilization. We were just charging ahead without caring. Ki we were saying ki jo aage ki generation, they'll figure out what has to be figured out. We are just going to chase our dreams and live our life and be selfish. And I think this is the Earth's way of saying that, boss. Wait a second. You need to reassess how you've been living, because ek hota hai chasing your dreams, that being ambitious. One thing is to just not care. And I think we've just become a society that doesn't care. That emotional cord had got cut. I think this has made all of us sit at home and realize, यार हम साधारण खाना भी खा सकते हैं, हमें घर की जरूरत है, हमें रिश्तेदारों की और कुछ दोस्तों की जरूरत है. इवेंचुअली दैट इज व्हाट वी आर क्रेविंग. घर पे बैठ के यू आर ग्रेटफुल दैट यू हैव योर फैमिली, आई एम ग्रेटफुल दैट आई हैव माय फैमिली देयर. इवेंचुअली बहुत बेसिक चीजों की आवश्यकता है फॉर अस टू फील calm and sane. We chase more because we are corrupt by power. We want more, more, more. हमने दुनिया को ट्रैफिक, आई वुड से सिग्नल भी नहीं, एयरपोर्ट बना दिया था. वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट डू व्हाट वी वांटेड विदाउट केयरिंग. So I think this will put a pause on things and make people reflect. I think, especially for Indians, uh, I think our government has done a very good job, best possible in this situation with this kind of population,
Exactly.
um,
Yeah.
and with the amount of unfortunate gossip mongering and lack of information, and of course, education where we lack sometimes. I think even keeping all that in mind, the fact that people have understood, just मैंने पढ़ा, spitting has been banned now, wearing masks, you have to step out. So in our country, more than ever, I feel this will bring about a basic understanding of how to behave as people in public also. I think that was much needed because hygiene, civic sense. So I know, without sounding preachy, I feel देखो silver lining का तो पता नहीं Farid, we don't know when this will get over. But I think when we come out of it, we'll come out as Indians. I definitely feel we'll come out much better for it, and I hope the world can survive and pull through with the daily wage workers and the migrants, whatever is happening. हम लोग secure हैं, हम privileged हैं, हम लोग घर पे हैं. With all that in mind, I feel बहुत बड़ी सीख है. We'll be stupid if we don't take a lesson from it eventually. That's it.
Okay, and many people also feel that maybe there should be some way of just making the social media hygienic because it tends to become
I
too
agree.
like
I
nasty at
agree.
times and
I agree. I completely agree. I feel that is where I think Zoya or somebody put it up. Being even on social media or what we do, we are artists. Eventually, I think you need artists to help you pass time and feel the positivity at this time. Music हो गया, painting हो गई, conversations हो गए. We need interesting, creative people to find better use of time rather than being negative and bitter and blaming. हिंदुस्तान में मैं कहूंगा पॉलिटिक्स अब एक तरफ चले जाना चाहिए, जो हो रहा है काफी हद तक. और दुनिया भर में आई थिंक वी शुड कीप दैट असाइड बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया टेंड्स टू क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ divide by talking too much of negative stuff like you're saying. So I feel there needs to be a positive hygiene more than anything else.
positive hygiene. Okay, all right, that's a good way of saying it. Okay, and you're trying to do something in your own way. Obviously, you've donated, which I think everyone is doing, which is wonderful. But you've also taken this initiative of I think just interacting with your fans. You're going on a virtual date, from what I understand, that
Yeah,
that
yeah.
can help certain poor people.
तो जब बचपन में मोटा था तो डेट नहीं कर पाता था, तो तभी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी टू आस्क एनीबॉडी आउट ऑन अ डेट. तो अब मैंने वो ख्वाहिश भी पूरी कर दी. I've decided, me, you know about Fankind. My sister runs
Of course.
an organization where she where through giving you a chance to meet celebrities, you get to also help out people in need. So when Varun did his paintball activity, which you were part of, they helped out the farmers in Maharashtra that were suffering because of famine. So there is a emotional connect, there is a charity connect, and fans get to meet people that they like by just bidding. It's almost like you put in 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees, doesn't matter. आप लोग एक lottery pool में जाते हो. So मैं सोच रहा था यार घर पे बैठे बैठे I was feeling useless and I also felt before I start like today we'll talk for half an hour 45 minutes. What if this half an hour could generate something? What if today we could give back to society? So Anshula works with Give India, which is a very known charity. They are working with daily wage worker families. So we've been able to help out 300 families after the virtual date that I agreed to do, which generated a lot of curiosity also, thanks to the media promoting it also. And we've generated over 5 lakh rupees with my virtual date, and overall what we've done. We've been able to help about 300 families of daily wage workers. Or if you would have told me when I started out 7, 8 years back that you'll be able to help 300 people at some point in your life or 300 families, I would consider that a big achievement, let alone in this one moment. So I'm happy in my own way to keep myself grounded. This is a nice way of interacting with your fans and giving back.
No, in fact, I think migrant laborers or daily wagers, especially, and all the poor people, जितना भी उनके साथ इस वक्त किया जाए, I think वो कम है, because I think they badly need it. They badly need all the support.
Because see, we are living in a very privileged situation, Faridun. We are, but people who look like, for example, I also worry about my staff, the people that work with me, जो मेरे साथ shooting भी करते हैं, मेरे hair हो गया, makeup हो गया. Eventually, they are relying on, if I go to work, they make money. It's a vicious cycle, and so many people are relying on so many more people that उनका काम चालू होगा तो हमारा काम चालू होगा. So it's all interlinked there. And I feel really helpless, and we all do. But pehle we have to take care of ourselves and hopefully give back to society. But I'm hoping, fingers crossed, this gets better.
Okay, and so apart from being an actor, you also a producer. I think that's something that you always have a very sharp eye for. Now, how do you look at the situation in the industry with the way the situation is? Obviously, like it's going to hit the industry very hard. It already hit the industry very hard.
Yeah.
How do you look at the future from here on? Your film was
I had a film on release, and I had 7 days of work left of the film that I was doing with Rakul. 7-8 दिन का ही काम बचा हुआ था. So that's also paused for the moment. And I had Sandeep or Pinky Farrar that was about to release. So it's a tricky situation. See, we have to also look at, let me put it this way, we have to look at the overseas to get slight hints, because if you see, Wonder Woman is right now tentatively planned for 15th August, which is a sign of saying big studios abroad believe that they will be able to start releasing films across the world because they rely on the world population for their business. So Hindi films also rely on world population. I don't think Suryavanshi releases without having America and Dubai and Australia available for release, right? So it doesn't make sense. So we have to wait and watch how the theaters open up worldwide before we can start releasing the big films. But I think, like I was talking to Karan sir, I was talking to Adi sir, with all of them, the belief is that everybody has to be patient and wait and watch to see how things develop, because काम पे जाने के लिए भी एक system बनाना पड़ेगा. The films that were bound to release will get first preference. The films that need VFX done will get first preference because they were due to release. जिनके set already standing है, जिनको तोड़ के फिर से लगाने पड़ेंगे because बारिश आ जाएगी, या फिर floors available होंगे. You'll have to sit and really plan going forward. And I think it'll be a little difficult for new films to just start like that. I think a lot of actors, technicians will have to complete a lot of stuff that has to be done. So a new system will have to come in place. So say अगर जून जुलाई से काम चालू हो सकता है, तो हमारा काम अगस्त सितंबर से चालू होगा, बिकॉज अलाइन करने में थोड़ा वक्त चले जाएगा, डेट्स वगैरह वगैरह, प्लस इंश्योरेंस, प्लस थिएटर्स में कब लोग आना चाहेंगे. देखिए, द माइंडसेट इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज a poor man will think of a theater last. He'll think of taking care of the family first. The middle class goes to the theater to celebrate life and they're in a good frame of mind. Even the rich people only go to the theaters when they want to spend good quality time with people, So we have to wait for the mindset. We have to put out a little bit of stuff to see पुरानी पिक्चरें शायद रिलीज करनी पड़े थिएटर्स को टू गेट पीपल कमिंग बैक टू थिएटर्स. देयर माइट हैव टू बी अ न्यू सिस्टम वेयर एक शो खत्म हुआ, ब्रेक ले, लोग निकले, फिर नंबर ऑफ शोज रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे. डू बी रिलीज 5 फिल्म्स एट द सेम टाइम टू सी इफ 100 लोग आ रहे हैं. Obviously नहीं, एक बड़ी फिल्म लगाते हैं and let's draw people back. Do we wait for only the festive releases? And also I think people are a little nervous about saying let's put everything on digital. I feel वो थोड़ा गलत है because that's short term. I think
No,
Hindustan.
I'll come to digital shortly. Apparently, you've been consuming a lot of Netflix and you're advising people what to watch. So, theater owners they are discussing a few things. They're coming up with some ideas that we can have alternate seatings, 1, 3, 5, and then सामने वाले में 2, 4, 6. I don't know how practical that be. No two shows clash. No two shows have an interval at the same time, and those things. Because what is happening is that the theater owners, I think they are in for a very good shock because they also get around 30% of their revenue from the food items that are sold. So nothing is working out right now. Speaking to Sudhir Mishra ji the other day, he said that maybe electricity जो theaters में जो दिया जाता है वो बहुत ही exorbitant cost पे दिया जाता है. Maybe that there can be some concession in that. Maybe entertainment tax में concession हो सकता है. Because this will be badly needed.
Yeah, theaters, definitely the people working in theaters for that matter, the staff. We have to look at that also. हम लोग daily wage workers की बात करें तो theaters में भी daily wage earners are people who come. So yeah, it is a big problem यार फरीदुन. But the reality is यार अभी तो सबके हाथ बंद है. We don't even know कब खुलेगा. We in the pyramid of essentials, where does going to a theater fit in? आप सोचिए, people right now not thinking about the theaters right now. हालांकि we are, but people are not thinking about going to a mall or a theater anytime soon. So we'll have to see mindset of people to know what kind of reliefs we can bring in as see, it's going to affect production also. Eventually अगर ticket का price कम रहेगा तो making का cost change हो जाएगा.
Even the number of people on the unit in the unit, I think they will be reduced.
Yeah, but
people will be cautious. They don't want to interact with people.
So John, if tomorrow if I have to do an interview with you, I'll tell you come with 1 cameraman instead of having 3 cameramen now, for example. आपकी जो बड़े बजट वाली इंटरव्यूज होती है वो आपको बजट काटना पड़ेगा because it will just become a normal situation where we'll have to be a little careful about it. It comes down to in all walks of life.
And more than the budget, I think even in terms of how comfortable
safety. Yeah, safety. Comfort, safety. Yeah, I agree.
Even in terms of meeting people, because you don't know that the way this virus is, symptoms can be asymptomatic, but the guy.
Yeah, you might find out 10 days later, 12 days later that something happened to you. So
okay. There's a question that we received. This is RS_S1103. Does he think in light of COVID, cinema halls will be affected for a long time? Does he think there's a chance that new movies will be streamed like in the US on a user pay concept?
So I think there are 2 questions in that, Faridun. The first one is
we've already talked about.
So I'm a firm believer that people will come to theaters eventually. It might take some time. Right. The second part is see there now, for example, Disney has given their own film to Disney Plus. Disney their own app. Films are coming onto their own app, so that it's easier to do that. In Hindi films, a lot of films are triggered in terms of recoveries on the basis of box office. The better the film does on theaters, the more money they make even on digital or satellite deals. A lot of actor payments are dependent on net box office. A lot of films are being made basis recoveries on what the films will do in theaters as an MG. So a lot of deals have to be revisited. A lot of people will have to sit and acclimatize to the new environment to take a call. Also, अगर एक film producer हमारे यहाँ पे the big producers, they're not taking one film that they just need to sell it and then be okay. They're looking at doing a bunch of films, So you don't want to sell one film at a lesser price because that drops the price of everything. Also, the digital people the digital platforms, they at one point they will also pause and understand the audience mindset before they acquire more. हम अभी demand है नहीं और हम supply इतना कर देंगे, so they'll have enough material. They won't need more for another 6-8 months. So it's a situation which it's you have to wait and watch, understand the market, understand
Definitely.
India कब खुल रहा है. Um, Having said that, I feel this is my belief. The quality of the content that reaches theaters over the next couple of years that will get greenlit and made now, there will be films and there'll be people and audience mindset also will change and film industry mindset will also change. कि लोग बोलेंगे यार, I don't mind doing direct to digital also. You know, when Amit ji did Kaun Banega Crorepati, it changed everything for TV. A few years back, Kevin Spacey did House of Cards for Netflix. तभी Netflix का नाम भी नहीं सुना था. And that was a game changer. I feel in India, Sacred Games, yes, helped. Mirzapur has helped. Family Man has helped. But I feel this time that has happened, there is a lot of content that is better off going straight to the digital department also. In the sense the audience there is far more capable of using that content better rather than a big screen. So I feel there'll be a lot of films that will be made with the agenda of coming directly to the streaming rather than going for the big screen.
Because see, the argument right now is that if Extraction can directly release on Netflix, why can't Bollywood films release directly on the OTT platform? I think invariably there will be certain films already. Bumper has released, Aditya Rawal's movie has released on.
Yeah. So that is fine. Like Angrezi Medium had just about released in theaters. I'm sure we will see a few films that will come. But see what video on demand, what they do, na, they charge $20 for 48 hours of viewing. आप अगर 200 रुपए दे रहे हो सिर्फ 24 घंटे के लिए तो ऑडियंस बोलेगा फिर तो मैं थिएटर में देखूंगा पिक्चर ऐसे. Nobody wants to pay $200 for 48 hours of having it on your system and it disappears, you know. It's not that easy to do that with Hindi films, but like I said eventually some films will come directly to digital and there's nothing wrong with that. I think to make your recoveries better. Also क्योंकि थिएटर्स में इतनी पिक्चरें आने वाली है अगले साल भर में, backlog itna ho jayega that there will be some films that will say, we don't even want to wait. We'll just release the film on digital because you get good deals. Why not? It's worth considering. Like Artemis Fowl is a Disney film, so they put it onto their own platform only.
But you know, there is this aspect as well that many of the producers, you know, because of the uncertainty and the fact that producers they're paying interest on the money that they're making.
Yeah.
So you never know. The patients may run out, and they can say that let's release it. Online?
Yeah, but it all depends on what happens in the next month and a half. I think. I think we can sustain waiting till maybe May, June. But if we don't know, अरे पता लगे theaters January तक नहीं खुलेंगे शायद, then it's a problem. Then everybody will have to figure a new way forward. I think right now people are working on the estimation that practically, let's say, post August we will have some semblance of belief that we can start figuring out social life. So I think the film industry is waiting and watching. Like I said, हम लोग West को wait करके देख रहे हैं when the theaters open there, when life happens there. So yeah, I agree with you that it might, some producers might say कि नहीं यार दे ही देते हैं. That's fine. But I think I'm talking about the tentpole films. You know, your summer blockbuster, हमारे जो festive blockbusters है. I don't see it, like for me, Suryavanshi is a film I want to see in a theater. There are certain films that certain films are meant to be watched in the theater. So, like they've shifted Fast and Furious over there 1 year ahead, but it'll come in a theater in their head. You know, they've not put Fast and Furious onto the digital platform. A lot of films that had already released in theaters they put on. Bond has gone ahead.
Bond has gone ahead. So, of course, I think Suryavanshi and 83 obviously they have to be in movie halls, but I think there can be several mid-level films.
Exactly, but which is what I said. I said कि अब वो वहम टूट जाएगा. You know कि digital पे नहीं डालते पहले theater. There'll be a lot of films that might turn around and say it's fine, it's not a big deal. Because अभी हम भी देख रहे हैं ना यार, audience देखना चाहती है, घर पे बैठे देख रही है. Like Guilty did so well.
Yeah.
All the Amazon shows. I mean, the Pushpavalis I was watching before this. I had not seen Pushpavali. Now Family Man देखा मैंने. So there are so many shows and films and stuff like that coming online. Asur I've heard is so good, which is on Voot. I want to see Asur. Yeah, so I'm saying अभी तो देश खुला है digital के मामले में, you know. So अगले 2-3 महीने में once we know the reality of the country, we know reality of theaters, we know reality of audience कितना पैसा खर्च करना चाहती है यार, because eventually the audience के mood पे depend करता है फिल्मों का.
Yeah, and the economy the way it has been hit. Okay.